In this video, I'll show you how I determine exactly how many pages ChatGPT can read and process for my projects, ensuring I can analyze long documents without any data loss. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll move my cursor down to the text input bar and click on the small plus icon to upload a file. I'll select a 10-page document focused on the history of AI from my folder, and then ask the AI to break down the different sections for me. As it processes the file in real time, you can see it accurately identifies all 8 sections, providing a concise summary for each one to give me a quick overview of the content. To test its depth and retrieval accuracy, I'll ask a very specific question about what happened in 2012 regarding the deep learning revolution. The AI pulls the answer directly from the text, correctly identifying the AlexNet system as the key breakthrough. Now, let's check the official limits for larger projects. While ChatGPT comfortably handles between 100 to 200 pages in a single upload, it can actually process much larger files, sometimes even over 900 pages, depending on the specific file size and the complexity of the formatting. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for analyzing everything from short reports to massive long-form documents and datasets. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own research and document analysis, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.